Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this smart radiator thermostat starter kit from Meross, the model MTS150H. Works with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, and it is compatible with SmartThings. You can smart schedule, remote access from anywhere at any time from the Meross app, download from Google Play Store or App Store, and adjust all the settings and the options to your needs. You can set the desired temperature before entering at your home, anywhere at any time. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice unboxing. Included we have in the hub the power adapter, output 5 volt, 1 amp, 5 watts power consumption, the cable, type A to micro USB, it is about 1 meter. You need to power on the hub with this adapter and the cable. QR code for the Apple Home kit. We have the button, LED indicator. Included we have the screws and many accessories. Connector adapter. You can use this adapter with these plastics here. Let's remove everything from the bag. I will show you later. Maybe that is not compatible with mine, but we will see. One Danfoss RAV connector adapter, one Danfoss RA connector adapter, one Giacomin connector adapter, one Galeffi connector adapter, and one Danfoss RAVL connector adapter. All this included at the box, because you can use this unit with many radiators, and the smart radiator thermostat with the display at the front. Press and pull. Okay, press and pull. Obviously we need two 2A batteries. Nice. Removing the protective film. Press and it locks. And here we have this metal screw with all these accessories you can connect at your radiator. So let's plug in the hub first. Meross app. I have made a video for this smart plug and for the smart thermostat. You can check that video after the end of this video. So let's add, we can see some other products. Smart thermostat, I need the MTS150. Connect the smart hub as picture, okay, done. Yep, it's flashing. This may take a few seconds. Connect. You need to choose a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network from your router. Next. Congratulations! Next. Please choose your version, MTS150. Compatibility check, only water-based radiator will work with this product. Okay. Yes, it is. Hardware installation. Okay, some information. Adapter installation guide. Back. It is an M30. Okay, battery installation. We need to add two 2A batteries 1.5 volt. Oh, there it is. Don't use rechargeable batteries 1.2 volt. Tap O button and the screen will show as below. Yep, correct. Next, tap O button once, the product will detect both ends of the pin on your radiator. Well, I didn't install right now the radiator, but I can hear the sound. The pin is coming further out and in. Probably it is best to install first the thermostat at the radiator. But right now I will show you all the process and what you can do with the radiator. Next, please ensure that your smart hub is flashing green right now. It is. Tap any button to awake the LED screen. Then press O for 5 seconds to turn off the thermostat. OK. Next, press O button for 5 seconds and then tap plus. Or decreasing, increasing. OK. Got it? And that was all. So easy.
Living room from the Meross skill, and you can control it by saying, set living room to 21 degrees.
Living room, kitchen, master bedroom, guest room or kids room. Next. Finish. Got it. There it is, living room. Obviously you can adjust everything from the unit. Just press any area at the O button or decreasing, increasing, and it will turn on the display. Decreasing the temperature, increasing, the response is very fast, press and hold, it will go faster, maximum 35, and the minimum it is 5 degrees Celsius. Off. And after a few seconds we have the update at the app. On again. Now it is on auto. Manual again. You have auto and manual. Now let's see what we can do from the app. Unfortunately, you can have the display brightness always on. Because it's working with batteries, it will reduce very fast the battery. You can switch it off from your smartphone, on, choose again auto, manual, heat. You can adjust with your finger. And of course it has an accuracy 0.5 degrees. You can choose cool, again adjust with your finger, or economy. Every time you're adjusting with your finger, it goes at manual. There it is. And of course we can see the temperature at the environment, 21.5 degrees Celsius, and I have set up the heating at 27 degrees Celsius. Now let's go at the settings. Device name you can rename, the model number, smart hub, LED display for the hub, you can switch it off or on. It is online, client 1, obviously you can connect more clients. HomeKit setup code, Wi-Fi signal, model number, firmware version, hardware and MAC address. Mode temp, you can adjust the heat, the cool, the economy, and save. And then every time you choose, you have different values for the heat, cool, economy. Schedule. Here you can choose the days of the week and adjust the schedule. It is a smart schedule. Temperature calibration, you can do in that. Calibrate. And save. Engine calibration. Enable, disable. Please note that the engine calibration will not initiate when the thermostat is in off state. Make sure the thermostat is working at the time slot set above. Temperature control sensitivity, you can choose. Open window detected, on or off. The same for the low battery, you will have notification at your smartphone when the battery is low. Time zone and location. And of course you can adjust the temperature of this smart radiator thermostat from Google Assistant, Alexa, or with a Siri from the Apple HomeKit. Alexa, set temperature on radiator at 20.
Thermostat is set to 20.
There it is. So this video is more about how you can use this Meross smart radiator thermostat. It has plenty settings to adjust at your needs from the app, anywhere at any time. Let's say before entering at your home, adjust the thermostat at the desired temperature to have a comfortable environment. If you want to find out more about this product and where you can buy it, you can check down below at the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.